Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Nissan RV motorhome camper truck, a powerful blend of utility, comfort and adventure-ready design. If you're into camping, road trips or van life, this one might be just what you need. Nissan RV motorhome camper truck details. The Nissan RV motorhome camper truck is built on the reliable Nissan RV 350 or Caravan chassis depending on the region. Under the hood it usually packs a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder petrol or diesel engine paired with a 5-speed automatic or manual transmission. It's rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive depending on the model and has a fuel tank capacity of around 65 liters. The body has been modified to include a fully functional camper unit with a raised roof, extended side panels and reinforced suspension to handle the added weight. The average length is about 5 to 6 meters with a height close to 2.8 meters, making it compact enough for tight roads but spacious enough for a livable cabin. Exterior part. From the outside, the Nissan RV motorhome camper truck keeps things practical yet stylish. Its design is boxy for maximum interior space with large side windows for natural light. Many models come with a pop top or high roof for extra headroom. There are usually sliding doors on the side and a rear door for easy access. It's equipped with roof racks, exterior storage boxes and sometimes even solar panels mounted on top. You'll also see utility hookups on the side for water, electricity and propane. The headlights are clear and modern while the front grille keeps that classic Nissan van look. The ground clearance is decent, giving you confidence on light off-road terrain or gravel paths. Interior part. Step inside and you'll find a cleverly designed interior space optimized for functionality and comfort. Most models have a compact kitchenette with a sink, a 2-burner stove, a mini fridge and cabinets for storage. The dining area usually converts into a sleeping bed and there's often a second bed in the pop top or raised roof section depending on the layout. There might be a portable toilet, a small indoor shower or an outdoor shower setup. Seating is cushioned and often wrapped in easy to clean fabric with enough legroom for 2 to 4 people depending on the configuration. LED lights are mounted throughout the ceiling and there's usually a small control panel to manage power, battery levels and water tanks. Comfort level. The comfort level inside the Nissan RV motorhome camper truck is impressive for its size. It's insulated fairly well so it stays warm in the cold and cool in the heat. Many units come with fans, roof vents or even air conditioning for climate control. The suspension handles well on the road so you won't feel every bump, and the seats both in the driving area and the cabin are built for long trips. You'll find cup holders, USB charging ports and sometimes even a small entertainment screen. The layout feels open thanks to the smart use of space. Natural lighting and soft LED ambience lighting make it feel cozy yet breathable. Performance. Performance-wise, the Nissan camper truck handles well for a vehicle of its class. The 2.5-liter engine gives enough power for highway cruising and steady hill climbs without straining too much. It's not a speed demon, but that's not what it's for. Fuel economy ranges between 9 to 12 kilometers per liter depending on your load and terrain. The turning radius is decent and it parks easily compared to larger RVs. The transmission is smooth and the brakes are responsive. The upgraded suspension helps manage the extra weight of the camper gear so the ride remains steady even on uneven terrain. Overall, it's reliable, smooth and efficient. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the Nissan RV motorhome camper truck is a compact yet capable travel companion. It combines Nissan's proven engineering with a thoughtfully built camper unit, perfect for solo travelers, couples or small families. Whether you're planning weekend escapes or full-time van life, this camper truck checks all the boxes for comfort, mobility and reliability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more vehicle reviews and travel-ready rides.